Welcome to Coloring Series Part 2. We will color an animal today, a lion. Let's begin. This is a brown color and we will color the tail, lion's mane and ears. It looks great! Now we will pick another color and let's color the tail, his body, legs and face. Good job! Now it's time to color its mouth. Are we done? No, not yet. We still have lion's nose to color. Good work! Let's draw some green grass for our majestic lion. Our drawing looks wonderful. Thank you. Subscribe and share. Bye-bye.